Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Nexus Rewards program. Okay, it's a program where you get cash back on your groceries, gasoline, anything you buy, you get cash back credits on that. All right, and then now today I'm going to be going over the compensation plan. All right, and so it says here the referral rewards. You can earn commissions referring others to Nexus Rewards. You'll initially will earn $5 per month on all the premium members that you personally refer, and then we add another $5 in the coded bonus rewards portion of the plan. That means you could earn up to $10 per month on your personal referrals, and you refer 3 and you're in profit. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the next portion here. Everyone you enroll, every everyone you enroll in your first level as your referrals enroll others, that is your second level. Okay, as the people on your second level refer others, that's your third level. This continues all the way through 10 levels. Okay, so here's an example here, and this is this portion here is through 5 levels, and then here's the payout. Build your team to earn up to 10 levels of referrals. Okay, and then they have a leadership rewards program, and then refer 5 premium members, you become pro and eligible to earn up to 6 levels of rewards. Okay, as your team grows, you become eligible to earn additional infinity commissions. They start paying you on the levels and continue to pay you initial or infinite levels unless someone in your network is at the same level of higher pay level than you have reached. All right, and as an example, a pro 25 earns an additional 25 cents on the third level. They could also earn additional 25 cents on levels 4, 5, 6, and 7, and so on. Now that's pretty lucrative here. And here's like another example of the chart here. All right, and then a dynamic compression plan. So this is actually like kind of like a pass up. Okay, if you're not qualified for that commission, they'll go ahead and pass it up to the next member. It won't go to the company. Okay, once you reach 1-star level, you become eligible to receive dynamic compression rewards. If you have people in your network who are not qualified to receive unilevel commissions, those commissions will roll up to you. Right. And they have coded bonus rewards. Initially, every member of your referral is coded to you, and you make an additional $5 per month on their monthly subscription. All right. So, and then they also have a 3x10 matrix. Remain a premium member for six consecutive months, and starting in month 7, you qualify to get paid in our 3x10 matrix that pays 10 cents per member per level. Right, and then they have a 3x10 check match as well. Matrix earning. Have 5 personally referred premium members. Okay, this is a matching bonus. Whatever they make, you'll make. All right. And then ranks and qualifications, they have different ranks. All right. So that is the compensation plan. You can go over it in detail by clicking on the link below. You could also join for free. All right. And then once again, if you decide to join, and click like, subscribe to the video, and I'll see you soon.